Hi, in this video I'm just going to show you how to edit the Joomla photo template using CSS. Now it's really easy. First thing you need to do, you need to download Google Chrome because it's going to make your life a lot easier. It's got some great tools that can help you to do this. So if you haven't got Google Chrome, I recommend you download that right now. Okay, you don't? Great. We'll begin. So of course on the far right hand side there's this thing with a free rectangle, horizontal rectangle, so we'll click on that. And you will go down where it says Tools, and you will see an option that says Developer Tools, which is this one here. We just click on this, and this brings our Developer Toolbox up. Now I want to change this header colour to white. So to do that, I just select this thing, looks like a magnifying glass. It gives me this blue box. This blue box tells me what I've selected. So we see the header is in blue. Let's do that. So you see it selects different things in blue. The header's in blue, so that means I've selected header. I just click on the header and it brings up all the style for the header. Okay, so I know that the header is an A tag. This header's A tag because this A is highlighted blue here. So there's, just to show you that, you see it says A hover. If I change this to, because I want to change this to white, nothing happens apart from if the hover changes. So if I change this, you see it says A there, just change that to white, double click on there. And you see that's changed to white. Okay, so none of these changes are permanent, they're just to show you what they're just a preview, they're not saved. So if I refresh, you see this headers in white will go back to blue because none of these changes I make here are permanent. So I'm just going to show you that now. Okay, and we see the header's gone back to blue. So let's reselect that. So you remember how we did it? We went to this thing option up here, went to the bit that says Tools and Developer Tools, we selected that. Magnifying glass, highlighted the thing we wanted to find a CSS for in blue, and clicked on it. Okay, so just change that to white again to make sure we get the right one. Okay, so to make next step, to make the changes permanent, to make this permanently header white, we just need to go to our find where the file is. So to do that, you see where it says that where the file is always next to always next to this word here on the left. And of course, I go look at all class if you know what class is. So we know this one's in the template CSS folder. We know the A hover is in the bootstrap CSS file. We know the A is in the template CSS file. But where is that? Okay, so to find that, just hover over this link. We'll just hover over where it says template CSS, and we see the domain name first of all, which is Joomla Photography Templates Themes. It's in the demo folder. Inside the demo folder, we got a Joomla photo theme templates folder. In the templates folder, we've got a Joomla photo template CSS, and right at the back we got. So yours won't be as long as this, just because this is a demo site. It's in the subfolder, but I'll show you how to do it. It's a lot easier when you see how it's done. Okay, so let's go to Dreamweaver. I'm using Dreamweaver, but use FileZilla or anything you like really, or you can even edit the file in your hosting. So let's find that file. So we're going to go to, okay, so from the bit where it says, so we know it's in the templates folder, which is this one, highlight in blue. Where is it next? We see it's in the CSS. It's in the Joomla photo template. It's the Joomla photo template. So just click here. Then it's in the CSS folder, which is this one here. And what's the file? It's the template CSS, which is this one here. So can you see how we found? Does that make sense? How we found that? So we just hovered over this. It was in the templates folder. We found that there. The Joomla photo template, we saw that was after templates, and we saw a CSS folder was after Joomla template folder, which is here, and we found it here. So then we need to edit this file. We're just going to drag it onto our desktop. Now here's my Joomla template CSS folder, file I mean. So just click on that, and I want to find this this A tag. Where is that? So there. So all I'm going to do is double click on that, copy that, Control F, and I'm just going to put a bracket there, just making sure it's easy to find. And there it is. And you see all text editors have the find feature, so it's really easy to find anything in CSS. So you just go Control F and you get your find feature. And here's the color. So we see this color hash 07B, and we just check on our developer tools. Yep. So that's the A tag, which is that bit there, and the color we want to change that to white downly. So we just go highlight that, make that FF. Save this file, and I'm just going to refresh this so you can see the change has been made permanently. So we're back to blue, and to make that white, we've got to make, to save the change, we're just going to upload the file to a CSS folder here. Okay, now we just refresh. Okay, and now you can see it's turned to white. And same process, if you want to find anything, change our thing, if we want to change this to, say you want to change this text here, developer tools, select that again, we get the bit here, and we see it's in the same file, template CSS, and we just go, try to find the colour for that though, article aside, and we just click on there, check if that's where it is. We see that's turned to white. Copy that and just go to CSS template file again. Control F, paste it in there. Do a little bracket because that sometimes makes a more specific search. Double click on there. Change it. Here's the colour for it. Do that. Make that FF. And just upload it again. Refresh. And there you go, now you can see it's changed white too. So I hope it's very helpful. You can use this technique on any project, and it's really easy to do. So I'm glad to, I hope you found this helpful. Any questions or any feedback to improve this tutorial, please let me know. Many thanks. Right, bye for now.